Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm starting it a little late. It's Friday, almost 5 o'clock, and I'm gonna start making some dinner. We're actually having breakfast for dinner today, which is one of our favorites. We're gonna make some pancakes today. What? What did you say? What are you doing?
He's measuring stuff with me.
What are you measuring, Michael? Are you measuring yourself? You should have Daddy measure you so we can see how tall you are. So while they're playing and doing some stuff, I'm gonna start making dinner. Adam is right here. He just fell asleep a couple minutes ago. And I actually wanted to make some potatoes so that I could use my vegetable chopper because I'm obsessed. And I want to freeze them. And then also, I think I have pink eye. I just added a little bit of olive oil, kosher salt or like sea salt, and salt and pepper. Those are in the oven at 400 degrees, and they'll probably be in there maybe like, I don't know, maybe like 30 to 40 minutes or so. I don't plan on serving those for dinner. I actually just wanted to make a ton of them because I have a little bit of time since this little one is napping and Michael is pretty entertained with Michael Sr. And then I'm gonna freeze them so we can have them for like a side or for breakfast during the week or the upcoming weeks. So now I'm gonna get started on the pancakes, and I'm gonna make extra of those too and freeze them because I just happen to freeze everything, guys. It's just my life is freezing everything. So this is the mix that I use for when we have breakfast for dinner. This is, I got this at Costco. It's super good. I swear it gives the best pancakes ever, but I've actually heard it's not very healthy for you, which I totally believe it. So that's why we only have it like when we actually make breakfast for dinner, which isn't every single like week or anything like that. I do have like my own pancake mix that I make, and that one tastes pretty good, and that's the one we use on the weekends because we eat that a lot more often. I swear, he gets so crazy when I turn the camera on.
Hi everybody.
Hi everybody. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Show them your truck. What is it? Oh, okay. So I thought I would have tons of pancakes left over, but that wasn't the case. There's these 3 and then 3 right here, and that was it. There's no more leftover. So we're just gonna save these and probably have them for leftovers tomorrow. But here are our pancakes. I got 4 pancakes, some watermelon, some powdered sugar, syrup, Michael's pancakes, and this is dinner for today. Alright, so the potatoes are all done. I probably left them in the oven for about 40 minutes or so. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna separate them into these 3 Ziploc bags. Hopefully I can make 3 bags. I'm hoping to make a little more, but I'm aiming to at least 3 of them. So we are off grocery shopping. It's me and Michael Jr. again. It's really nice to get out at least once a week. But yes, we're going grocery shopping, and if you guys don't know, I absolutely love grocery shopping. It's my favorite day of the week. Here's my grocery cart. This is the most groceries I have bought in a long time. What are you excited for, Michael? Are you excited for the bananas? Or for these?
Cookies.
Cookies.
Hi.
Ready to go home?
Yeah.
All right, let's go home. Later in the day, the kids just woke up from their nap. There's Adam relaxing with Mama for a little bit. Both Michaels are outside. Father Michael is cleaning up the grill to start some barbecue. There's Michael Jr. playing around. Say hi. Hi. It's finally a nice day out and we're gonna grill outside. Well, Michael's gonna grill outside. I'm gonna start making some Spanish rice and get some sides ready for us so we can have a nice dinner today. So come along with me while I make some Spanish rice. I do have a recipe on this video. Well, I have a video on this recipe on my channel if you guys are interested to watch it, but I'm gonna make it really quick right now. So it's Sunday now. We just got back from Costco. This was our very first family outing, all of us together, and it was a success. So let me show you guys a really quick Costco haul. We just went in to buy some milk for Michael Jr. and then we found a couple more things that we needed. So let me show you guys. So first we got 2 containers of the whole organic milk for Michael Jr. I got some super extra large peanuts for Michael's. I also got some super extra large peanuts for Michael's lunches. I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags for him. And then some soft and chewy granola bars. This is the chocolate chip flavor. And again, this is for Michael's lunch. Oh, hold the doggy. Thank you. And then this was a must. The vanilla chocolate chunk muffins. These are so good. I also picked up some gloves. These are for outdoors. Like
Doggy. Doggy.
I don't think these gloves are for gardening, Michael.
What do you mean?
Because they have like the guy holding like a mallet.
They're gloves. They're work gloves. They're gardening gloves. They're fine.
Okay. So we got these gloves in hopes that they're going to work for gardening for us. And then we also picked up these solar LED accent lights. And we're going to put these outside in our yard. Hi everybody. They can see you. So each container has 4. Yes, your doggy is right there. Pretty doggy. Each one has 4 lights, and then we got 4 containers, so we'll see if we need all of them. If not, we're gonna go return them. Last thing I got was this shirt. It's kind of like a t-shirt, but it's like a sweater material. I got it in a large, and it's kind of like a teal kind of color. It's really pretty, and I thought it would be cute for like underneath some leggings or something like that. And then the back,
sticker.
Yes, there is a sticker. You want the sticker?
Yeah.
Hold the shirt. Hold it. Hold the shirt. No, hold the shirt. The shirt. Hold the shirt right here, baby, with your hands. There you go. Hold the shirt. Hold the shirt. There you go. Oh.
Sticker. Sticker.
The back has this like line right here, and then it has an opening on like your butt area. I just thought it was cute to like wear with some leggings or like some shorts or something like that during the summertime. It is like a sweater material, but it's really thin, so I think this would be fine. And then I figured this would be really simple for nursing because I can just lift it up, and it's like I said, it's not like a heavy material or constricting or anything. So yeah, I like this. So yeah, that's our super small Costco haul for today.